Hi everyone, welcome to Chasing Adventures. Today we are going to be putting an awning on the 2025 Honda Pilot Trailsport. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is Novsight 8.2 awning. And if you've been following my channel, I was using Yakima Slim Shady 6.5 awning on the Subaru, but I sold it along with the car, so I needed a new awning. And I wanted something larger this time, so this Novsight awning is 8.2 feet by 8.2 feet, which will provide me with more coverage compared to the Slim Shady 6.5 by 6.5 awning. And in the box, it comes with all the necessary hardware to mount the awning, and it uses more of that traditional L-shaped mounting brackets and gets mounted on the roof rail like this. And you could adjust the length to your needs. And the awning will be mounted on the short end of the bracket. It also comes with the glow-in-the-dark stakes and guy lines to stake the awning down in a windy situation. Now for most people, you could probably place the awning as close as to the roof rail, but since I have a rooftop tent, I need to space it further out. So first, take out the end cover and slide the shoulder bolt onto the awning rail. Place the L bracket and screw on the nut loosely so we could make adjustments as needed. And this is totally unnecessary, but I'm putting a clear PPF film to protect the roof rail. And put the bracket to the roof rail and tighten them down. And place the awning to the desired location. Once satisfied, tighten the awning bolt. And that's it. So it's really simple to install the awning as long as you have a raised roof rails. And to deploy the awning, unzip the PVC awning cover. Release 3 Velcro straps. Flip out the supporting rod and roll out the awning. Once it's fully rolled out, swing down the legs, adjust the height, and tighten the awning with the supporting rod. Finally, secure the awning with the Velcro straps to the supporting rod and you're all set. And this took me less than 2 minutes to deploy the awning, and it covers a lot of ground. But if you need something that's larger, they also have a 10 feet long awning. The awning is made with 420D Oxford cloth with 500mm PU coating for excellent waterproof ability and UPF 50 plus sun protection. And with the lightweight but sturdy aluminum structure, it's one of the lightest awning as it only weighs around 24 pounds. And that's lighter than the smaller Yakima Slim Shady that weighed around 28 pounds. And I really like that the whole structure has black color finish to match the color of my SUV. But I only wish that the fabric was black too, but that's just me. And to pack the awning, simply reverse the steps. So I'm very happy with the Novsight awning. It's lightweight, provides large coverage, simple to install, and the 8.2 length is just the right size for the Pilot or bigger SUV. And best of all, it costs much less than the name brand while getting more coverage out of it. And as I mentioned earlier, they have a larger 10 feet awning if you need more coverage, or various size in the smaller 6.6 length awning if you have a smaller vehicle. And I'll have the link to the awning in the video description, so check it out for yourself. And this will conclude my first look at Novsight awning, and I can't wait till I use it while camping. And when I do, I'll show you guys what it's like in the real world scenario. So if this video was informative, please like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and turn on that notification so you won't miss when my next video is uploaded. So thank you all for tuning in today, and until next time, keep chasing adventures, and I'll see you all in my next video.